All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Hi, TMKDK. I don't know what line to use today. It's like, this is too bright, this is not too bright. I don't know. Hey, TMKDK. Hey, Huskabite. Huskabite, you should choose a color so I can recognize you in chat. I'm a little synesthetic of colors. In regards to the chat here, I recognize people by their colors. I was here before Bellum. How what? I think if you click on your name, and then you can like choose the stream color, like so that every time you come to stream, it'll be the same color in the chat. Bellum is not here. Wow. That's a first. Alright, so, I am yet again sleep deprived, but that's no, that's not news. Today I'll be working on the RC, whatchamacallit, the RC driver circuit. Yeah, that's basically it. So, I'll be working on this for the entire time. Hopefully I'll get it finished. If I get it finished, then we can go on to do something more interesting from here on out. Chat identity. Ah, yes. All right. Let's go. If you're light blue from here on out, I'll remember that. All right. So yesterday we took a look at some of the options in regards to building a RC driver circuit on a PCB. We used an L298N. By the way, I found a really cheap L298N chip on AliExpress, and I bought 200 of them. I don't know if it's gonna break on impact or what's not, but like I'm willing to take that risk if I can get like 200 L298N chips for 50 cents each instead of $5 each. Are they gonna arrive? I have no idea. But if I want to pay like $5, $5 whole for an L298 chip off Mouser Electronics, you know, I don't really want to do that. So, that's my alternative. Hey, never mind, the Schrodinger's chip is better than the $5 per chip. Hey, Bellum! Guys, Bellum's here. I also bought a bunch of other stuff from AliExpress that I hope they ship to me sometime soon. Because my alternative is Amazon, and with Amazon, it'll get here on time, but it's just really expensive. You are late, Bellum. It's just 9 minutes after. Bellum's not that late. I bought a lot of 1 ohm 1 watt resistors. If you have two 1 ohm 1 watt resistor in parallel, they'll add up to 2 ohm 1 watt. No, in series. It's series, right? No, half watt. So two 1 ohm 1 watt resistors in parallel add up to half watt. Wow, you can copy it like that. Control R is copy? Really? Maybe like it's replicate. I'm still getting used to the rotation or to all the hotkeys here. I haven't been using Alt in so long. Anyways, the current sensing logic has to be outputted through these resistors. So I'm gonna put these two modules side by side. The notification decided to arrive after I did today. I see. In regards to the capacitor stuff, I'm still prepping that up. I'm not ready to explode one on stream yet. I don't want to make a mess. I literally get back home, start streaming. Alright. I'm gonna, make something like this. So these are going to be the current sensing. Sensing A and sensing B. Let me think. What other features do I want on this PCB? I have the integrated L298 chips. I have the nRF24L01. Although I couldn't get the actual chip manufactured. I wonder if JLC-PC has options for that. JLC-PCB has like the legit L298 chips, but they don't solder it on. So it's just like, what's the point? Although I should probably use it at some point. Their assembly service, I mean. So I'm going with current sensing A and current sensing B. I'm gonna do sensing A and then sensing B. Alright, and there's my current sensing resistors. Alright, now I'm gonna go steal another part of my schematic here. This diode's mine. Now, this is gonna be a 4004, I believe. It's a 4004 diode. 1 amp, 400 volts. Right. Alright, and then I believe the motor 1 and motor 2 requires something like this in between it, right? Something from ground to 12 volts just to prevent it from backpedaling on itself. Oh, hey Choi! It's been a while. How's it going? Yeah, so we gotta put some arrays here. Diode arrays. Mmm, delicious. Alright, and then I gotta get my 12 volts. Or whatever the 12 volt was. Was the RC car project finished? The battery vending machine? Technically yes. I say technically yes because technically it's not finished, but I put that one on hold for now. This is probably one of my other priorities first. I gotta get this one finished. R1. I've gotta make this. I've gotta make a couple PCBs. Like, this is more of my element. Physically, no. Design-wise, yes. There we go. Thank you, Troy. Yeah, so that's where the status of that project is as in right now. So this is something like out 1. And then I just copy paste this like 4 times. So each of the out 1, out 2, out 3, out 4. Cool. And then M1, M2 will also have one of these. I'm gonna be so sad when I have to switch to KiCad, because like everything I've done so far, I can't do copy and paste anymore. I've gotta like do this from scratch. We can play words on stream while you work, so we do not disturb. I'm gonna be looking on chat. That is gonna be disturbing, TMKDK. Have you successfully gotten another streamer to play words on stream yet? Alright, what else? I need capacitors. 100 nanofarad capacitors. I just looked at words on stream, and the first suggestion was words on stream. Not even the actual game, just words on stream how to get cheats. I mean, I think we have enough active members. Let me bring it up. I mean, depending on what... I mean, I have words on stream as my first option. Let me see if it's still working. I used to have a words on stream widget on screen so that chat members could play it while I did my thing. Is it this one? It is. It has a very bad... There we go. Alright, let me make it a little bit smaller. You guys can still see that, right? It's a word game. It's TMKDK's favorite word game. And the stream record is level 18. Knarus is not here, so it's, it'll be less fun. But, you guys can, have fun with that. I'll turn the sound down, though, so that you can hear more of the music. And it's on autopilot, too. Kind of like anagrams. Only one, but he plays for 2 hours Monday, Tuesday, but sometimes he does not stream because of his is it sciatic illness? We can't read the letters. Okay, hold on. Let me just enlarge it then. So, this is linked to Twitch chat. So if you want to guess, you would just put something in the chat, and it'll go through. Let me just enlarge the screen a bit. Something like that, right? How's that? Economy? You guys did that one yet? Economy's one, right? No, I spelled it wrong. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Alright, you guys have fun with that. I think I might put it like to another screen, it'll still work, right? No, it won't. It has to be on screen. Dang it, okay. This is where like a fourth monitor will come into play. I'll just put it on this screen. You guys have fun. So I need a 100 nanofarad capacitor. I think I will use a... Oh, you guys failed on the first one already? Troy, just like type a word in the chat that you see and it'll go through. So you'll see the chat flood up. Restart, please. Oh, it automatically restarts in 10 seconds, but I can manually do it for you. It takes about 30 seconds to propagate. Alrighty. Okay, so where was I? Right, capacitor. I see them use like those really big, fat, cylindrical capacitors on the PCBs. I think I should use. I think you should use those as well. I don't know what those are called. Electrolytic SMD capacitor. Yeah, because it's a fat one. Oh, one more thing. If you guys are new to this game, you can't guess twice before it unlocks you. So, you see that timer bar? It has locks on it, so if you guess once, you have to wait until it reaches the next lock before guessing again. That's all. Capacitors. Types of capacitors. Aluminum SMD electrolytic capacitor 100 nanofarad. Yeah, okay. GG. I don't even remember how you guys got till 18 that one time. That's crazy. I found the SMD component though. All right, gimme. Alright, it's adding. So, wow, they sell for 88 cents. That's so insanely expensive. $100 nanofarad, right? Yeah. And this is going from VCC ground. There should be 2 of these. So one goes from 12 volts to ground, and one goes from 5 volts to ground, right? Yeah. I feel like Mouser Electronics is going through some sort of inflation phase right now. Everything on their website is super expensive. It's incredibly insane. Alright, what else? We have the enable ones, we have ground, and one PW out one. I think that's it. I think we got everything for one. So everything comes in from the inputs, goes at the outputs, and we have one lone digital pin. I think I'll make this digital pin into a panic pin. You know? I think that'd be fun. Wait, hold on. I want to make this into a... Ooh, if I want to make this into an autonomous thing. Hold on, I'll need more pins. If I need more pins, then I have to use something like an Arduino Nano. Move pins for what? I want to make this into a UGV as well, as part of my RC car. So I need more pins for, like, an ultrasonic sensor, which is like 2 pins. Or some other sensor to, like, give it more, more depth, you know? More pins. So I think I need a nano. I don't know where to get a nano, but I'll figure it out a way to get like 50 Arduino nanos. They're so expensive right now. An ultrasonic sensor. Use an I2C IO external. True. Actually, my I2C ports are open. Much shortage. I agree. Wait. I2C IO external IC. That is a good idea. Yes. If you can give me the extension, if you can give me the part number for the IC, that'd be great. 16 input output port. I see one already on Adafruit. I don't know if that's the right one or not. MCP 23017. It's a fat boy. Try an SX1509. Alright, we'll do. 1509. 16 output I/O expander breakout board. That's a tiny chip. Wow. I like how it says, are you low on I/O? No problem. The SX1509 breakout is a 16-channel GPIO expander with an I2C interface. That means with just 2 wires, your microcontroller can interface with 16 fully configurable digital input-output pins. $695. Now let's see how expensive the chip is. Condarson, do you have any DIP equivalents? They have an elevator pitch on something that's specific? I'm just reading it off of SparkFun. Of course they do. It's SparkFun. You can also do my favorite, the 74HC59. I've heard of that one. I've heard of that one, actually. 74HC595. That rings a bell. Oh yes, that definitely rings a bell. Yes, serial parallel shifting out. Oh, I've heard that. My professor keeps telling me about this thing. Shift register. Ah, beautiful. It's buffered. Yeah. You just bit bang to it. So you just shift out 0xF. Is there a possibility for them to be any leakage in between the pins? So remember I used like a 4x16 mux and like there was leakage current and I couldn't use it. No leakage? Alright. Sounds like a plan. I might use this. This is really funny. These can go to any 3 digital pins, right? Pin 8. Let me look at the datasheet for this thing. 8 is ground, 9 is serial out. For 4x16 analog leakage parasitic capacitance is probably one. Just add some bleed resistor and a delay in pulling. Ah. That's why. I already tossed it out. I'm gonna use it for some other project. Alright. Okay, I'm still looking at that chip. Hold on, I've been replying to messages. How have you guys been doing? So Kadarsa, one more time. So if I use this as kind of like a pulled I/O, I like the TM1637 only because it's cheaper and will take in I/O in. If I use this for a like a motor controller, this will work, right? Because it's just like feeding in digital signals. Is it PWM? Some of them are, yes. Some of them are. The enable A, enable B are PWM. If it PWM, use AT-Tiny with ITC control. Alright. I will take a look then. Three PWMs for the IQC signal, or I can just not put the PWM signals on the on that splitter and just use it for like basic I/O, right? Let's see. MCP 2300-117. I'm just still interested in that chip. It's a nice looking thing. How many like pins is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's 28 pin. Holy crap. $88 not good. Isn't the 80-88 like have a severe lack of like everything? I like how Canarsa's probably sitting back, just like I could just dominate this round and not doing anything. Canarsa was the Canarsa and Bad Cop were the only reasons they got to like 18. They're really good at this game. PTSD. Yes. Half this chat does not know Canarsa's story. MCP 23017. I think I'm gonna use that chip. I think I'm gonna use that chip. I like the sound of that. I think I like that chip. Alright, let's see how expensive it is. Let's see if AliExpress carries this chip. So I can get my hands on some of them. That sounds painful, Canarsa. to memorize everything to 4 letters on flashcards? Oh my goodness, that's horrible. There's also the IC version of it. Why is this piece so expensive in the first place? Holy crap. Check TMK's TLC5940. Alright. TLC5940. Ooh. Double fancy. Let's see. I'm looking at the datasheet right now. "60-channel PWM unit with 12-bit duty cycle control, 6-bit current limit control, and a daisy chainable." Hey, it's a daisy chain! Bell, your favorite. Serial interface. It's handy for expanding the number of PWM outputs available. It says outputs, but is it inputs? I think I need inputs, not outputs. Because these are going to be for sensors. Right? Because if this is an LED driver, it only supports outputs. Not PWM input, PWM output. This thing is driver. I should write this stuff down. Use the Arduino for input, use it for output. I have a lot more inputs than outputs. Because the outputs are through the L298N. So I need a bunch of inputs. I might use the I2C one then. Let me check Mouser. Oh, it's actually not that expensive. It's $1.70. Wow. Wow! It's cheaper than AliExpress! You can use a shift register for input. Alright, shift register. Oh, hold on. Wait, I've done this before! I've done this before with a pick. I know what you're talking about. I like this chip though. I2C expander? Because these would be both for like I/O ports. Arduino has a library for the TLC5940 and you can daisy chain. Is it the 7 for? No. It's the MCP23017. I'm looking at the datasheet for it. Supports both inputs, outputs. Has enough current to support. Oh, what was that? Let's see. Well, I'll send you guys the datasheet. See, TMKDK, look what you've done. The thing froze, by the way. I have to bob and weave between these like words on stream text just to see what I need. Yes, digital inputs. I need more digital inputs. That's what I need right now. Not outputs. just chain them. Just 2 pins for the chip, and then you can get like 256 inputs. For the 7 for HC165. I'm going to get a vanity plate that is 74HC595. Alright, Team KDK, are you all worked on streamed out? You want to do another, or is that good enough for tonight? I'm catting on the side so my brain juice is goodbying. How many screws you got over there, Heskabite? Alright, so do I use the MCP23017 or do I go with the Condarsis set and use the shift register? Choices. We've narrowed it down to chips here. It's 2 chips. Is Condarsa gone? Condarsa's gonna open Windows. Let's compare price. Which one's cheaper, the MCP or the HC, what was it? The 7 for HC165. Let's see here. Ooh, and the 7 for HC165 wins. The counter shift register 8-bit parallel in, serial out. Ooh, parallel. Ooh, the PISO, the I don't know what it is. Even with Huskabite's help. Alright, you know what? Just to end it off, I'll help. I'll help you guys. Wow! 4 already! We're 5 away, guys! By the way, the words are in alphabetical order. Because notice it with 4-letter combinations. You're back. Yeah, I might use these shift registers just because it'll give students an easier time soldering this thing together, or like a funner time soldering this together. It's only 63 cents. 74HC 165. Alright. Let me just do some research on how to use this then. Add more I/O. Condarsa got the most points. Oh, the power of Condarsa. Dang. Did Husky get it, or did I get it? Oh, I got it. I got the sausage. Alright, I'll let you guys have fun now. Alright, so what are the connections to the Arduino? Is it just 2 connections? Or is it 3? No, is it 3 or 4? Huh. Shift LN. It's 3. It's 3. Is it 3? Yeah, it's 3. Okay. So if it's 3... Oh, then I won't have pulse width modulation, right? Wait, these are these inputs or outputs? No, these are outputs. Oh, these could be inputs too, right? Just call Shift LN. Okay, but these are inputs as well, right? Are you guys a level 5 already? The 165 makes inputs. The 595 makes outputs. Oh! I get it. I get it. 165 inputs. Okay, I need to take a screenshot of that and put it on my wall. Let me just take a screenshot of that real quick. I can get you bi-directional, but that's more money. What's the bi-directional ID? Just wondering. It's the CD1. What's CD? I'm missing out. Oh, and Narcissus gone. Alright, I'm gonna design with this then. Spent the entire time thinking of what expansion chip to use. The one time you raided last time, you said she did not understand. It takes so long to build the electronics. What? The one you raided last time said that she does not understand. It takes so long to build. Time to build the electronics that you're Lorgana? I mean, I can say the same thing as like her. I can't do tax 30 for her life. All right, you know what? 165, and then I have the. Dang, I already forgot it. Hold on. What did Kandarsa say? Let me just copy this somewhere. .595 makes outputs. Counter shift register, 8-bit shift register. Data sheet. Right, because one's serial in parallel and one's parallel out serial in. Piso and Sipo. I remember learning this. This is a thing I learned. Applications. Alright, give me the ECAD model for this. It only took like 8 years, but Knarsa's convinced me to, Wait, is it the CD one? Is this the one? Hold on, I downloaded something that had CD at the beginning. There's an 8-bit serial input parallel output shift register of output registers. Huh. Alright. Well, Knarsa, I guess the students are learning how to do shift registers at their final projects. Thank you for this educational material. Wow, you guys are level 7? Is Knarsa carrying you guys? Oh my goodness. 110. Huskabite is also in the lead there. No. Oh no. Knarsa's out. Wow, these are on top of each other. Oh, that's definitely not going to be confusing. Okay, dokie, let's see how we can make my life harder in like approximately 3 seconds. I need a bigger sheet. How do I connect this stuff? Oh, what a bargain. I can probably use an OLED too. If I'm fancy. Sheet properties, right? Sheet size! B. Okay, so wait, the 595 is serial in parallel out. So this is for outputs. Right, which means if this is for outputs, I should put every single one of my output stuff here, right? This is for inputs. Even Freckled Science says that electronics is not science, but anyway, she did not understand how a potato battery worked before he explained it. Wait, I saw that on her YouTube. She had like a clip fail and of like eating her potato battery or something like that. that was fancy. Electronics is fun. What do you mean, guys? You guys don't like seeing capacitors blow up? Condarsa left. No. Drink some water, I don't know. And save my work. Thank you, thank you. Alright. It's on 10. I'll let you guys in on what I have to do for the rest of tonight. Well, tomorrow I have at least 4 meetings. 4 to 5 meetings. And I have performed 0 preparation for any of them. And I'm supposed to lead at least half of them. So I'll be making PowerPoints for the rest of tonight. I just saved the whole website by accidentally hitting Control S, so I figured I had you saved too. Just get ready to sleep in Lynn's class. I'll probably be doing the presentation for my next meeting in Lynn's class. Or not to be rude to him or anything, because I just do not have the time margin. Anyways, because I have at least four meetings tomorrow, and then I have to prepare a PowerPoint for every single one of them, and also just trying to show up at the last minute. And I also have to pay attention to class at the same time. You know, never do this, right? You guys stay in school. Don't do what I'm about to tell you. But during class, I multitask the class. So basically, I have my computer out, and I'm usually doing some kind of logistics, doing some finance stuff, filling in spreadsheets, and also taking notes and listening to the professor at the same time. It's a wild ride, especially when the professor is a little hard to hear and hard to understand. But I've been doing it for about 2 years straight. It's not stressful. I'm lying. It's very stressful. That's life, though. Yeah, that's life. All right, I'm gonna let you guys finish this game, and then I'm gonna go head out and do some preparations. I'll be back tomorrow to implement the 595 and the other one, though. I'll buy some of these chips off of Mouse Electronics, even though it's really expensive. I'll just get them early so I can test them. All right. If you guys get this last word, though. Mirage! Mirage. M-I-R... No, there's no E. Just kidding. Just ignore what I said. Ignore what I said. There's no E. Alright. Oh, you guys got it! Nice. I guess I'm stuck here for... I guess I'm stuck here for like the next at least 5 minutes. Might as well do some work. So the 595 is for outputs, right? Parallel out. Wait. QA? QB, QC, QD, QE, QF. Why are there two H's? What? Wait, why are there two H's? What? Oh, it's QH and QH prime. Ah, I see. Oh, hey, old man Felonious. How's it going? You just caught me right as I was about to end. I'm waiting for them to fail. Inert. Insert. That's a word. Help us, Cadarsa. They are one game away from me ending the stream. Alright, this is for inputs. I don't have inputs yet. Alright, I'll keep pulse width modulation on there. 2, 3, if I want to do an OLED or something, I can put that on there as well. Did you save? You should save. I just saved on chip again. I should save. Yeah, I should save. I should save. I should save. And then I have one L298 here. Oh, did you guys lose? Ah, dang it. I made a toasty capacitor, but it was small. Are you rating Freckle? Is Freckle Science streaming? I haven't rated Freckle in so long! Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. You know where we're going. Alright, we need to get Freckle Science to make a PCB someday. Alright, I really have to get onto my presentation, so this will be possibly the last Game of Warzone stream for tonight, much to Team KDK's dismay. But there's always tomorrow, if I stream tomorrow, which I will stream tomorrow, because I have to get this done. I have deadlines! Freckled Science never streams when I stream, because I stream so late. Alrighty. Well, it's been a great streaming with you guys. If you guys can finish before the streamer thing times out, then GG's. Is it Beeswax? Oh, Beeswax is already on there. But thank you guys so much for coming to stream today. I really enjoyed being with you guys and learning about shift registers of Candarsa. I need to go on Mouser Electronics and buy some of those chips now. Also, the chips we discussed today as well. She's also Canadian, Old Man Felonious, I see. Is Old Man Felonious Canadian? Alright, so, wait, Team KDA, really quick, what's the chip you talked about today? The TC something? Never mind, I'll never know. I'll never know.
Teriyaki chicken.